subscribers, and this was a terrible freaking idea. Just go.
Congratulations, 100 subscribers, brother. Little bit of that Magic Kingdom action. Woohoo! We made it! Or I made it. I'm here by myself. If you have to choose between monorail and ferry, always ferry. Always ferry. Look at monorail. Ferry. What's going on, guys? Woody Mouse in the house, and welcome back to Theme Park Brews. And I'm here with my buddy Chris Viso. Hey! And we're about to get on the Little Mermaid. I have been here for a while, did a live stream, it was a lot of fun. And we're about to embark on a magical journey. Under the sea. Under the sea. No, you gotta do like a rip-off version. You can't do the actual version. Under the sea. That was beautiful. Like your face. Hey Chris, are you gonna be my romantic partner?
Yo, son, I'm sorry. We gotta get him back. Bears in the last show. That's what we got.
Under the sea, under the sea. Get it, girl. This is a little bit risque. Ripped. All right. So for those of you who don't know, I'm here today. We're gonna watch Chris Viso get on Splash Mountain. That's right, you heard me. He's gonna get on Splash Mountain for the first time. He's afraid of heights. I can't wait. But first, I gotta go meet up with a really good friend of mine over at Epcot. So we're gonna do that, and then we'll be right back here. This guy is terrified right now.
I'm tired.
He's saying he's tired in order to use that, but we know he's just terrified. He's shaking in his boots. His not waterproof boots.
They're not. The girl at the Sperry store online.
But his camera has its own poncho.
I don't want to do it.
This guy's about to get on Splash Mountain for the very first time in his life. Hey, tired Chris.
Yes.
This is happening now.
Very tired.
Congrats on 100.
Thanks.
Lots of love.
Yeah. This was a bad idea.
The whole point was for this moment.
Yeah. Yes.
That was the whole point of you even starting a YouTube channel.
To get on Splash Mountain.
Just kidding. Hey Chris, you may get wet. How do you feel about that?
I would say as long as my feet don't get wet, but my waterproof shoes are not waterproof shoes.
They have holes in them. You may as well call them your holy shoes. See, holes. Holes. Holes.
The girl at the Sperry store said they were absolutely 100% waterproof.
Well, my eyes say otherwise. So this is the Fast Pass line. Wow. Let's do this, Chris. Let's get on Splash Mountain. 50-foot drop, baby. I am very excited to be a part of this. To get to see Chris get on a ride that he's terrified of. Yes. Well, this is nice.
Almost there.
Oh, we're in the back. Hi, Chris. This truly is going to be a magical moment.
It's very magical. It's a very big deal.
No, there's no turning back now.
Yeah, this is it. There's no way that I can get out of this now. We're just gonna do it and deal with life. I'm gonna close my eyes when that time comes, and that's gonna be it.
That was just a teaser. Yeah, don't jump in there. That looks painful. Alright, now I know where to hide my camera.
We're gonna get hit, Elliot. We're probably gonna get hit with that. Gonna hit you.
Oh, you gotta watch that water.
Get away. The whole show.
How you feeling so far, Chris?
At this point, I'm just kind of content because there's nothing I can do. Pat, just don't, okay? Just don't. I know, but you know what I mean.
Chris! It's happening! 100 subscribers.
Yeah, 100 subscribers, and this was a terrible freaking idea.
100 subscribers! That wasn't that bad. You did amazing. You look amazing.
I don't even know what I recorded. My eyes were closed, and I was just screaming the whole time.
Well, I think you did great, brother. Congratulations.
Good job, Chris.
100 subscribers, brother. Congrats.
Congratulations. Bro. That wasn't that bad.
See? See? I thought. Yeah. Woo! Welcome home. Welcome home, Briar Chris.
I did it.
You did it. I knew you could. All right, I got to witness my bud Chris Viso. Very first time on Splash Mountain.
That was terrible. Never doing that again.
Congratulations, brother. That's awesome, man. I'm proud of you. And I'm proud of you for getting on here, facing your fears, man.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. It's time I grew up.
Time you became a man.
Be a man. I'm wet now, though, but my feet are kind of dry.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, my feet didn't get too wet, so I'm okay with that. So Chris just said that if you scream as loud as you can.
Yeah. You don't get that, like, stomach in your throat feeling. I hate that.
It's one heck of a line. Wow, those ominous skies. It was a great day hanging out with Chris Viso. Once again, congratulations, brother, for getting 100 subscribers. You're amazing, man. And I know you're going to get many, many more. Glad to call you my friend. Had a great time. I didn't get to do a proper send-off from today's video, but I had a great time hanging out with my bud Chris Viso, getting on Splash Mountain. Congrats, bro, 100 subs. I got a little bit of Jeremiah's, and I'm gonna end the night like this, guys. So make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. As always, I'm your host, Morty Mouse. I'll see you later, or I'll see you at another time.